Good morning, dear students. In yesterday period, we were discussed about introductory part of the chapter structure of the atom. Afterwards, charged particles in matter. There are totally two charged particles, electrons and protons. Yes, my dear students, afterwards we discussed discovery of electron and a discovery of proton. Today, let us see structure of an atom, it being Thomson model as well as Rutherford model of an atom. According to Dalton's atomic theory, atoms indivisible and indestructible. Now, the discovery of two fundamental particles, it means electrons and protons inside the atom, led to the failure of this aspect of Dalton's theory. To know the arrangement of electrons and protons within an atom, many scientists proposed various atomic model. Yes, my dear students, all of you already know what some postulates of Dalton atomic theory was discarded. Why? After the invention of electrons and protons. Yes, my dear students, let us see Thomson model of an atom. J. Thomson was the first scientist to propose a model for the structure of an atom. Thomson model of an atom was similar to Christmas pudding. The electron in sphere of positive charge, we like currants, it means dry fruits in a spherical Christmas pudding. It also be compared to watermelon, in which the positive charge in an atom is spread all over like the red edible part, while the electron studied in the positively charged sphere like the seeds in the watermelon. Yes, my dear students. Yes, two possible examples are given here. Take example is watermelon. Watermelon. Yes, here red edible part is termed as what? The positive sphere. Red edible part is a positive and a black seeds are termed as what? Electrons. Black seeds are electron and red edible part is a positive sphere. positive sphere. Yes, my dear students, it means here which postulates are given by Thomson model of an atom. Postulates of Thomson model of an atom. Here electrons are embedded in the sphere of positive charge. Yes, with the help of an illustration, you people can come to final conclusion. What? The electrons are embedded where? In an sphere of positive. Yes, or positive charge. Yes, electrons are embedded in the sphere of positive charge. Yes. Second one, the negative and positive charge are equal in magnitude. Therefore, the atom as a whole is electrically neutral. Yes, my dear students, it means the negative as well as positive charge, the negative and positive charges are equal in magnitude. Therefore, the atom as a whole is electrically neutral. Yes, second postulate given by J. Thomson. And third one, the mass of an atom is assumed to be uniformly distributed throughout the atom. Yes, my dear students, mean the mass of an atom is assumed to be uniformly distributed throughout the atom. Yes, my dear students. Yes, it means mass means what? The number of protons and number of neutrons. It means total number of a nucleon is termed as what? Mass number. Okay. Yes, in which limitations are seen in a Thomson model of an atom? Yes, limitations of Thomson model of an atom. J. Thomson model could not explain experimental results of other scientists such as Rutherford, as there is no nucleus in the atomic model proposed by Thomson. Yes, my dear students, it means nucleus is not seen here, only given what? A positive sphere as well as electron. Okay, nucleus is not given. Okay, this is the limitation. And second one, it could not explain the stability of an atom. It means how positive and negative charges could remain so close together. Yes, my dear students, these are the limitations of Thomson's model of an atom. Yes, let us see Rutherford model of an atom. Rutherford model of an atom. Ernest Rutherford designed an experiment to know how the electrons are arranged within an atom. He bombarded fast moving alpha particles on thin sheet of gold foil. He selected a gold foil because he wanted to a thin layer as possible. This gold foil was about 1000 atoms thick. Yes, my dear students, what he used alpha particles in his experiment. He hit alpha particles where in a sheet of a gold foil. Why gold foil is used? Because gold foil is it means Rutherford need what a thin layer as possible. It means gold foil was about 1000 atoms thick. Yes, in which observations are made by Rutherford model of an atoms. Observations. Yes, in which observation is made by Rutherford model of an atom. Most of fast moving alpha particle passed straight through the gold foil. Yes. What happened here? Here most of the alpha particles are passed what a gold foil and some yes. Here most of fast moving alpha particles passed straight through the gold foil. Some of the alpha particles were deflected by foil by small angles. Very few alpha particle, it means 1 out of 12,000 appear to rebound. Yes, my dear students, what happened? Here some alpha particles passed straight through the gold foil, and second some of alpha particle were deflected by the foil by small angles. And third observation were made by Rutherford is very few alpha particles appear rebound. Yes, my dear students, clear? It means here some alpha particles are fast and some alpha particles what deflect by small angle and some appear what rebound. Yes, it means one out of 12,000 12,000 rebound or appear to be rebound. Yes, my dear students, these are the observations of Rutherford model of an atom. And what is the conclusion of Rutherford model of an atom? Let us see. Most of the space inside the atom is empty. Why? Because most of the alpha particle passed through gold foil without getting deflected. Clear? Empty as well as what happened? Most of alpha particle were passed straight to the gold foil. And second, very few particles were deflected from their path, indicating that the positive charge of the atom occupies very little space. Yes, my dear students, it means positive charge occupy what? Very small as well as very little space. And third one, a very small fraction of alpha particle were deflected by 180 degree, it means rebound, indicating that the all positive charge and mass of atom were concentrated in a very small volume within the atom. Yes, my dear students, it means positive charge mass is conserved or concentrated only small volume where within the atom. Okay. It means there is a positive charged highly dense center in an atom called nucleus. Nearly the whole mass of the atom resides in the nucleus. Yes, my dear students, all of you already know what atom. In an atom, nucleus is positive charge and that is highly dense center of the atom. And electrons are revolve around the nucleus in circular path. Yes, all of you already know what happened. The electrons are revolve around where? In circular path of an atom. And size of the nucleus is 10 raised to minus 15 meter. It means it is very small as compared to the size of the atom. It means size of the atom is 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Yes, my dear students. And what are the limitations of Rutherford's model of an atom? Any charged particle when accelerated is expected to radiate energy. To remain in a circular orbit, the electron would need to undergo acceleration. Therefore, it would radiate energy. Yes, my dear students. And second, Rutherford model could not explain the distribution of electrons in the extra nuclear portion of the atom. Yes, in today's class we all are discussed structure of atom, in which first model Thomson model of an atom, and what are the postulate given by Thomson, as well as in which limitations are seen in Thomson model of an atom. Afterward, Rutherford model of an atom and observations. Finally, we discussed what are limitations of Rutherford model of an atom. Yes, thank you, my dear students.